Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Filipino-style pesto sauce. While traditional pesto relies on basil, our version embraces the nutritious malunggay leaves, also known as moringa. We'll combine these vibrant greens with classic ingredients like garlic, cheese, and nuts, all brought together with a generous amount of high-quality olive oil. Get ready to create a unique and delicious twist on a beloved classic. Before we blend, let's prepare our ingredients. First, ensure your malunggay leaves are clean and completely dry. This prevents a watery pesto. Next, lightly toast about 1/4 cup of your chosen nuts, like cashews or peanuts, to bring out their rich, nutty aroma. Finally, grate 1/2 cup of a hard, salty cheese, which will add a wonderful depth of flavor to our sauce. Now for the exciting part, blending. In your food processor, combine the prepared malunggay leaves, toasted nuts, 2 cloves of fresh garlic, and your grated cheese. With the processor running, slowly drizzle in approximately 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Continue blending until the mixture reaches a smooth, desired consistency. Finish by seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Your delicious Filipino-style pesto is now ready to enjoy. It pairs wonderfully with hot pasta, as a vibrant spread on toasted bread, or even as a marinade for grilled chicken or fish. To store, simply place any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 5 days. For extended enjoyment, freeze portions in ice cube trays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.